Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through a quick and easy way to enable suggested replies in Microsoft Teams. This feature can help you respond faster in chats by offering smart reply options. So, if you're looking to improve your workflow, stay tuned for the full process. First, open the Microsoft Teams desktop app on your computer. Next, sign in with your Microsoft account. Then, go to the top right corner and click on the three-dot menu. After that, select Settings from the drop-down menu that appears. Once inside Settings, click on the General tab located on the left-hand side. Now, scroll down the page until you find the option labeled Suggested Replies. Finally, check the box or toggle the switch to enable suggested replies. Close the settings window. Your changes will be saved automatically, and suggested replies will now be active in your chat interface. And that's it. You've successfully enabled suggested replies in Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials right here on the channel.